How to know your shoe size on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You land to the shop page. Now head towards the shoes that you want to order, or also you can search for it. At the very top you'll see the search box. Over here type in the shoe name that you want to order. Once you get the shoe, click on it. Now scrolling down you're gonna find details for the shoe, size and the color. You'll find the option of size guide, click on that. Now here you're gonna find the details for the size, rock measurements. Size likewise ball width, foot length, shoe length, heel length, platform height. Also you can switch to centimeter or inch, likewise Asian, European, US size or anything. Click on that drop down. Here you will find an option. Go ahead and select the option of your choice. Then go through this chart, and with that you will be able to get your size. For any shoes that you have selected, you're gonna get this kind of size guide that makes it easier for you to select your specific shoe size. So this way you can easily know your shoe size on SHEIN. Let me show you for the another shoe as well. So I have selected this one shoe. Scrolling down you will find the option check my size, click on that. Now select what do you normally wear. Now go ahead and pick the category that best describes your shoes. Now from this page you are able to select your sizes. Basically within SHEIN app you're gonna get this kind of chart which will make you easier to pick your correct shoe size. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily know your shoe size on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.